Hi, my name is Logan, and I would like this video to be used to show future orchestra students. Today, I'm going to tell you how to fill out practice charts. So here's a practice chart, everybody's favorite part of orchestra. So a practice chart is something that Miss DeLay gives you every 3 weeks to help you track and look at your progress in practicing over the last 3 weeks of orchestra. So when you're looking at the first thing in that practice chart, it says what to practice, and there's 4 slots. So what you're going to write down here is what you practiced for that day. So, for example, mine said G/D major scales, dying cat vibrato, my region etude, and my orchestra piece. And so that's all you do for that section. And for the next one, it says category. And so that's like for each piece you do, you're gonna have a strategy you use to help you get better at that piece. And the category is what category your strategy is in. So for example, my G major scale, I used a tuner. That category would be intonation. For my vibrato, my strategy I used was metronome, and that would be for rhythm. My region, I was doing slow practice, and that's a technique. And for my orchestra piece, I made sure a specific measure was clearly, and that was help with my musicality. And then the last thing at the very right is it says did it help, and just you circle yes or no. And then on the very back there's a reflection, and you have to be specific with these. One specific thing I've improved in my last 3 weeks of playing is the slurred measures in my region etude. I achieved this practice by using these specific practice strategies, playing the measures over and over again, and broken records. One specific goal that I hope to achieve in my next 3 weeks of playing is being able to play the last 10 measures of my region etude, number 2, smoothly and faster. The first strategies I'm going to use to achieve this goal at home are using broken records and drones to make sure notes are in tune. And then at the end, you can ask one question for Miss Sheffield or Miss DeLayu and just make it appropriate.